Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to eliminate the scar from this person's face. So, to start off, you want to first create a new layer and name this layer Workspace Layer. This is the layer that you will be doing all of the editing on. So, to start off, you want to first click on the lasso tool, choose the area of the scar and any other respected burns, which includes this area. You then want to click on Edit, Content Aware Fill. Then you want to select the area that you want to borrow the information from and borrow the colors and the substitute from. And once you do this, it just show you your result, and you can change this by change the final result by changing the color rate adaptation. And to do that, you can just click on very high, or default. I'm going to choose default because that suits best into the environment. You can also do output to new layer or current layer. I want to do it on my current layer for now. You click OK and apply. Once you do that, now as you can see that the content aware fill has put in these two dots here that were taken from this area. So to eliminate this, all you have to do is follow the same step. Use the lasso tool to select your area and just do the same step over again just to eliminate that one dot. And then it'll give you a preview, and then you just say hit OK. And you want to do that with this one as well. Now as you can see, by just following 3 simple steps, we have eliminated all of the key components and structures that were involved with this scar. And now we have created an olive-like skin structure for this person's face.